A lawsuit filed against the University of California campus system accused the schools of illegally discriminating against white and Asian applicants. The complaint brought by students against racial discrimination said the UC system broke civil rights laws by giving an advantage to black and Hispanic applicants on the basis of their race. Attorney for the plaintiff, Jonathan Mitchell, says, quote, "We will keep suing them until they adopt colorblind admissions and rid themselves of every last vestige of these odious and discriminatory practices." UC has denied allegations that it unfairly favored some students over others on the basis of race. A spokesperson for UC says, quote, "Since the consideration of race in admissions was banned in California in 1996, the University of California has adjusted its admission practices to comply with the law." The 1996 law referenced was Proposition 209, which was passed in response to the UC system's affirmative action policies. A 1995 study showed affirmative action policies at the time led to great disparities in admission of Asian students. Plaintiffs said that after black and Hispanic enrollment fell at UC following the 1996 law, the school skirted the ban on racial preferences to increase enrollment for the two groups, a claim the university has denied. In 2023, the Supreme Court issued a ruling against affirmative action in the education system, stating that students must be treated as individuals, not on the basis of race. In 2010, the University of California, Berkeley admitted 13% of black in-state applicants compared with an overall 21% admission rate, the new lawsuit said. The plaintiffs also pointed to a 2014 UCLA sociologist review of admissions records that found that over 5 years, black and Hispanic applicants benefited from UC's system of racial preferences at the expense of Asian and white students in more than 2,000 cases. By 2023, the school brought the overall admission rate to 12%, while the acceptance rate for black applicants dropped to 10%. Asian and white students still make up the majority of admissions, with Asian students routinely making up over 30% of admissions across UC schools. In fall 2024, just over 4% of undergrad first-time college entrants at UC Berkeley's campus identified as black or African, over 51% identified as Asian, 22% identified as Latino, and 30% identified as white.